Well, hello there. Guess what? You get a nice short vlog today. And you know why? Because I didn't do anything interesting at all. I went to school, I went to the gym, I worked out shoulders and a little back. My back hurts, so I didn't do too much. But that's about it. Alright? Nice short vlog today. Hot searches and topics. You gotta know. Still, Lost is in there. Everyone's talking about Lost. Lost. Slipknot's bassist died. Swear to God. He's dead. He was found dead. Yeah. And I feel bad. And, I hope his family gets over it, and my wishes go out to them. And Brittany Murphy's husband died. Dead. And there's possibly the new Transformers love interest to Shia LaBeouf, since Megan Fox is gone. And looks like her name is Rosie Huntington Whiteley. So that's that. So my question, I want to get your shout out. It is wait a second. I'm getting so lost on these vlogs. This one, I just put that one up. I don't know. Guess what? The Vin vlog, he gets the shout out. He commented. Yeah, that's weird. I gotta fix that, because I just uploaded that, so it's not really fair. But the Vin vlog is gonna get the shout out. And, pretty sure that was about it. Just people dying. Why is everyone dying? You know, I think it was Brittany Murphy's mom that found Brittany Murphy dead, and then 5 months later she finds her husband dead. She's having a pretty bad year, I'd say. But that's that, and answer the question, get your shout out, and that's about it.